You have previously learned the concepts as methods of writing sets, types of sets, complementary sets and universal sets. Now we are going to learn union and intersection of two sets and operations on sets. Intersection of two sets. Suppose elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Elements in set B are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then the set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and set B. It is denoted as A intersection B. A intersection B is read as A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to the set of all common elements of A and B. Therefore, the set A intersection B contains the elements 2, 3 and 5. This set can be represented by Venn diagram as follows. Remember that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Disjoint sets. When two sets A and B have no common elements, they are completely different from each other. They are called disjoint sets. For example, elements in set A are 2, 4 and 6 and elements in set B are 8, 10 and 12. Therefore, A intersection B is an empty set which is denoted as phi. Therefore, A and B are disjoint sets. Now, let us learn the concept of union of two sets. If A and B are two sets, then the set of all elements of A and B is called the union of sets A and B. It is denoted as A union B. A union B is read as A union B. For example, if elements in set A are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, elements in set B are 4, 8, 12 and 16, then the set A union B contains elements 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15 and 16. Let's represent this set by Venn diagram as follows. Remember that A union B is equal to B union A. Let us study one more example. Observe the adjacent Venn diagram and write the sets. Universal set U, set A union B, set A intersection B and set complement of A union B. Solution. Universal set U contains elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Set A contains elements 2, 3, 7, 1, 13. Set B contains elements 1, 8, 10, 13, 15. Therefore, the set A union B contains elements 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 10, 13 and 15. The set A intersection B contains elements 1 and 13. The set complement of A union B contains elements 5, 9 and 14. Now, let us study operations related to the number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set. Suppose set A contains elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then the number of elements in set A, that is NA, is equal to 8. Set B contains elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then the number of elements in set B, that is NB, equal to 5. Therefore, NA plus NB equal to 8 plus 5, that is 13, equation 1. The set A union B contains elements 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15. Therefore, number of elements in set A union B equal to 10. This is equation 2. The set A intersection B contains elements 3, 9 and 15. Therefore, number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 3, equation 3. During the addition NA plus NB, the number of elements of set A intersection B are counted twice. Therefore, let's subtract the number of elements in set A intersection B from the sum Na plus Nb. Therefore, number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 8 plus 5 minus 3 equal to 10, equation 4. But the number of elements in set A union B is equal to 10. This is from equation 2. Therefore, N A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B. This is from equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will verify this rule by drawing a Venn diagram. Number of elements in set A, that is Na, is equal to 8. Number of elements in set B, Nb, is equal to 5. Number of elements in set A union B, that is N A union B, is equal to 10. Number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 3. Number of elements in set A union B, that is N A union B, is equal to 10. This is equation 5. And number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 8 plus 5 minus 3 equal to 10, equation 6. Therefore, N A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B from equations 5 and 6. Now, if number of elements in set A equal to 17, number of elements in set A union B equal to 32, and number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 9, then find the number of elements in set B. Solution: using the formula N A union B equal to Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B gives us 32 equal to 17 plus Nb minus 9. Therefore, 32 equal to 8 plus Nb. Therefore, Nb equal to 32 minus 8. Therefore, Nb is equal to 24. Sandhya conducted a survey of 50 families in her neighborhood and obtained the following information. 35 families subscribed to Marathi newspapers, 20 families subscribed to English newspapers, and 15 families subscribed to both Marathi and English newspapers. How many families subscribed to at least one of the newspapers? We have to find that. How many families do not subscribe to any newspaper? And how many families subscribe only to Marathi newspaper? Let's draw a Venn diagram. Solution: total number of families equal to the universal set U. The total number of families equal to 50. Therefore, number of elements in the universal set equal to 50. Let A be the set of families subscribing to Marathi newspapers. Therefore, number of elements in set A equal to 35. Let B be the set of families subscribing to English newspapers. Therefore, number of elements in set B equal to 20. Set of families subscribing to both newspapers, set A intersection B. Therefore, number of elements in set A intersection B equal to 15. Now, set of families that subscribe to newspapers in at least one of the two languages is the set A union B. Therefore, number of elements in set A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B equal to 35 plus 20 minus 15 equal to 40. Therefore, number of elements in set A union B equal to 40, equation 1. Therefore, the number of families that subscribe to newspapers in at least one of the two languages, Marathi or English, is 40. Second question. The set of families that do not subscribe to newspapers in either Marathi or English. The set complement of A union B. Therefore, number of elements in the set complement of A union B equal to number of elements in the universal set U minus number of elements in set A union B equal to 50 minus 40 equal to 10. Therefore, number of elements in the set complement of A union B, n complement of A union B is equal to 10, equation 2. Therefore, the number of families that do not subscribe to newspapers in either Marathi or English is 10. Now, number of families subscribing only Marathi newspapers is equal to NA minus N A intersection B equal to 35 minus 15 equal to 20. Therefore, 20 families subscribe only to Marathi newspapers. What did we learn? Suppose A and B are two sets. The set of common elements in both sets is called the intersection of the two sets. A intersection B is the set of elements X such that X belongs to set A and X belongs to set B. Suppose A and B are two sets. The set formed by the elements of both sets is called the union of the two sets. A union B is the set of elements X such that X belongs to set A or X belongs to set B. N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. Exercise. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets: A, B, A intersection B, A union B. Also, verify the formula N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. Given NA equal to 16, N A union B is equal to 20 and NB is equal to 9. Find N A intersection B. In a group of 120 persons, 90 persons drink tea, 60 persons drink coffee and 40 persons drink both tea and coffee. Find the answers to the following questions from this information. What is the number of persons who do not drink either tea or coffee? What is the number of persons who drink at least one of the drinks? How many persons are there who drink only tea? How many persons are there who drink only coffee?